a very odd human, okay? So in order for me to relax and upload this video in a way where I feel like I'm the one in charge, okay? Even though I am the one in charge, but because a lot of the stuff that I wanted to accomplish last year, I wasn't able to, even though I put a lot of effort towards it. I kind of don't want to do that this year. I feel like 2019 finished too early, too fast, and it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough, and now in my mind, I don't know how to start over because I wasn't even like done. And I'm not the person that can just leave a project and walk away from it and start a new one. I have to finish it. So when I set all these goals up and they're not done, people are just like, just transfer it over. I can't just transfer it over. Like, that's not how this works. And welcome. My name is Melissa, and if you are new here, I love to sew. Like, 2 sewing machines right there. Like a lot. I love sewing. So if you love sewing the way I love sewing, or if you're just getting into it, go ahead and watch some of my other videos. And if you happen to like my videos, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget that thumbs up. If you are a returning subscriber, what's up? What's good? How are you? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. And let's talk about what I'm working on, you know, what I want to be working on. Oh, and honestly, I feel really down for not finishing or hitting some goals that I have, which is honestly ridiculous because if I look back on 2019, 2018, like these last 2 years have been, you know, 2 years of discovery or whatever, but they've been good to me. You know, I don't have anything to complain about, which is why I feel even more upset because it's like, why are you so upset? You should be more grateful. Why are you throwing yourself a pity party? Like, oh my God. But that's how I am, okay? So I am currently still working on this, which is the Simplicity 1563. And this was last month's Sew Your View. Now that I've sewn a little bit again, I feel like I can see clearly now. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started for the year 2020. What do I want to do? Everything, you guys, everything. Here is my calendar. And it's not much. This is January 2020. I want to stick to uploading every week on Wednesday. These are some things that I have to buy. I have to buy a phone mic, okay? If I want to continue doing videos, I need to invest in this. I want to upload videos on YouTube and on TikTok. I'm still trying to figure TikTok out, but it is fun. If you have not downloaded it, I highly recommend it. And then I want to go ahead and take more time in taking pictures. So this is it. And the quote for the month is, "Be still and know that I am God." And it's Psalm 46:10. And I got a bullet journal. The reason behind this bullet journal is just because I need to be able to write my thoughts down. I just do. I need to sometimes get some things out of my head because I overthink and then it's just cycling in my head, and then the next thing you know, it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I haven't slept because of all these things that are coming towards me. Okay, so here is my bullet journal, and I did this month and the next month. Here are the Instagram hashtag challenges that are going on this month. I left a box for patterns that I'm thinking about using for these 3. If I do this one, but we'll see. Again, I reminded myself of the quote for this month is, "Be still be still and know that I am God. Again, you know, Psalms. And for the YouTube, I want to continue doing my presser feet videos. I've only uploaded one, but I want to, you know, upload the other one. But I want to keep doing these because it helps me. And then the next one is I still want to do pattern tutorials. I want to update my sewing room because I have organized my sewing room a lot. So I do want to update and give you guys a walkthrough of that. And I want to do a sewing machine review. Here are some notes. So if I get like an idea for a TikTok video, an idea for a YouTube video, then I'm able to write them down here. If I need more space, I can always make another box here. This is for completed sewing patterns, and down here are my measurements and the day that I took them, and that's basically it. This is kind of the beginning of a bullet journal. So here on my calendar is just going to be kind of the layout and any special dates that I have to remember so that I see it. And then here is just going to be more precise and ideas and things that I want to change. I went ahead and left some pages empty in the front. Maybe it could be like my notes for the month before the month ends. We shall see how it goes. Also, I went ahead and purchased another sewing machine. Okay, before anybody judges me out there with my sewing hoarding addiction, I just want to say that this was for $10 and I was not looking for it. I wanted to go ahead and sell this sewing machine, and this is why also I want to do a sewing machine review, because this little red sewing machine is so cute. But let's just say wait for the review because you'll find it extremely interesting, okay? And I posted that one for sale, and I was like, if the little red machine goes on sale, I'll purchase my daughter the $60 machine that I purchased for my sister because it's just a better sewing machine. But then I went on OfferUp and I saw this sewing machine for sale, and I was like, oh, that's cool. That's kind of like the one that I got my sister. Click for sale for $10. What? $10? I bought it. Yeah, heck yeah, I'm gonna buy that machine. And it came with everything inside. It came with all the original pieces and stuff. So that was just a great deal. It was $10 for a full-on working, in perfect condition, almost brand spanking new sewing machine. Right? On to the next topic. On Instagram, there are 3, okay? That I've seen, there are 3 challenges going on this month. I am doing the first challenge, and I'm going to be using Mimi G Style 1167 for the what is that? For the jacket thing. For this piece, for this top piece, I'm using this pattern. But for the pants, I don't know if you guys remember, if you follow me on Instagram, I said I wanted to sew pants, and the majority voted for this pattern. So I'm going to be sewing this pattern for the pants, and I'm probably going to do view C. but I'm going to do it with the bows at the bottom because I've been wanting to do that for the longest time. So I'm probably going to do that. If it looks cute, if it doesn't look cute, then I'm not, scratch that, you know. But I'm going to be sewing the McCalls M7726 and this one. And it's, the Instagram challenge is called Sew Suit Up. And it's hosted by Crumpets Tea and Sewing and Andrea Naturally. If I'm not saying that right, I am so sorry. I went through all of my pattern collection and I was like, ooh, which ones, this one. And I was like, no, I need to make up my mind, okay? And I've made up my mind, all right? Type of thing. This is it. I already have these pants traced. I just need to trace the jacket kind of thing, the coat. I just need to trace the coat, and then I will take it from there. The next challenge is called the Genuine January Challenge on Instagram. It's hosted by 3 wonderful ladies that I cannot pronounce their names. It's up here. If you are already sewing something for yourself, which the majority of us are, just for fun, just for yourself, not for a challenge, not for anything else, but for you, a selfish sewing, okay? Then this is probably going to be the challenge for you. If I do decide to enter, I'm going to enter with this one, and it's the Simplicity 84.95, but I'm going to do this view, the shorts view, and I already have the fabric for it. It's my lunch fabric. I still have not sewn my son's pajamas. Maybe I can do that today. I can trace and cut it out today. I still have not finished this penguin thing that I need to finish. And I even purchased this fabric for my daughter. It's fleece, and I have not washed it, so I will probably wash it today. The last sewing Instagram challenge is called Sew Conventional Challenge. So this is a straight up challenge, just like they do in Project Runway, where you just use unconventional items to make something. And that's what these ladies, I'll put the names up here again. This one I might join, I might not, simply because I am intimidated by it, but I am still excited to see what they end up making. This is definitely going to be a hashtag to follow. But that's it. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make just another video on these scissors, just because they look really, really cool, and I don't feel like I'm going to do them justice in, you know, a 2-minute view. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a video, so expect that these next few days. So I will see you in a few days, and as always, don't forget to make it a great day, week, and month, so that you can have a great year. Bye.